I'm Anita. Today I will be showing you 3 easy and fun DIY summer home decor ideas, plus a bonus. My first craft that I have tulips and a tin planter with reindeer moss and the floral foam that I used. I will be using a plain rectangular box like so. As you can see, I'm going to be placing my foam inside and then placing the flowers in every direction or however I want to place them. And then I'm going to finish it off with the reindeer moss. And once I am done, you will see how I painted the tin that was silver and placed the tulips inside with the reindeer moss. Perfect for your centerpiece, and I can't wait to show it to you. So I am taking my flower bed that I'm gonna use for my centerpiece, and I'm painting it with this acrylic white paint, and then I'm gonna spray paint it white. So here I have my flower pot that I'm going to use for my centerpiece. I put a coat of acrylic paint on it, and I'm going to use the same paint to paint the outside of it, and I will show you the end result of how it turns out once it dries. I love just how the centerpiece came out. I love the tin. I was able to spray paint it white, and then I used my sander, sponge sander, and I scruffed it up a little so it could look like that in the front as well as in the back as well, as you can see. And I just love how it came out. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to be using this at work so it can spark joy at work. So I got this storage bin and I decided to change it up to reuse it for something else, and I decided to use it for another centerpiece, as I love to have my home with floral all summer long, except that when you have real ones they tend to die. So I like using the fabric ones, and they just add a touch of decor to any home. So I used this one and I placed the foam inside with the moss, and this is what this one turned out to be. I love how it looks. I used the extra tulips that I had. I just placed them all around. I used Spanish moss as well as the reindeer moss. You can tell the little difference because the Spanish moss is more brown, more darker, and the reindeer moss is more lighter green. But this is how they both turned out. I love the color. Perfect for summer. And for my third craft, I have this frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I painted it with acrylic paint. I put compound in it, and then I found these letters from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the beads off and I'm gonna put it on the twine. So I finished with the acrylic paint on the frame, and now I'm going to take my paint, high gloss, and I'm gonna put it on. That's such. So for my bonus, I decided to do a little craft that was simple and easy to do. I got these little square wooden pieces from the Dollar Tree in different sizes, as you can see. I even got a coaster, which I painted it, and I'm gonna decorate it with this sticker on it. I can't wait for you to see it.